When it comes down to real estate financing, we often deal with significant amounts, and a very small saving can have a huge impact on the interest payments. In this video, I'll reveal some clever tricks to help you save big bucks on your mortgage. Hi, my name is Ajay, and in this channel, we'll guide you on how to buy a house here in Germany. As you probably know, the more own equity you bring into your financing, the lower the risk for the bank and hence the lower your interest rate. But here's something you might not know. Not all banks have a smooth transition in rates. Take Hypovereinsbank for example. They have a gradual shift. Each €1,000 will decrease your interest rate. Not by much, but nonetheless they'll decrease. On the other hand, there are a lot of banks which have internal criteria and have defined loan-to-value thresholds. Loan-to-value means how much loan are you taking from the bank versus what is the property worth. In most cases that translates to what's the purchase price. So loan divided by purchase price. So if you're buying a 500k house and you only need 400k as a loan, we speak about an 80% loan-to-value. Each 5% more own equity will lead to a different interest rate in that case. 100%, 95, 90 and so on. So sometimes I push my clients to pitch in €2,000 or €3,000 more own equity to fall below that threshold so that they can get a better rate for their mortgage. And looking at the fact that most clients fix the interest rates for 10, 15 or even 20 years, that's a huge amount of money to be saved across that duration. So if you're looking at a home loan contract, please check in with your advisor proactively whether the change of own equity by a couple of €1,000 makes sense, because the interest rates then will be reduced. Now let's talk about existing properties. After buying, there's often a need for modernization. Inform your bank about planned modernization during the application process, because some modernizations can be seen as value adding by the bank, potentially leading to a better interest rate. Make sure you discuss this with your bank or financial advisor up front. Beware that banks differentiate between renovation and modernization. Renovations are things like painting, wallpaper, flooring, etc. They'll not be increasing the value from a bank's perspective. On the other hand, modernization, like changing bathrooms, exchanging the windows, adding an extra room, etc., these will be adding value to the house and hence also decrease the loan to value factor in your favor. We've learned what that is earlier on. For those opting for new construction, consider the magic word Eigenleistung or sweat equity. Doing certain tasks yourself, like painting or laying the floor, can significantly reduce the cost. Your labor is considered as equity by some banks, leading to potential interest rate reductions. This is one reason why builders typically have the painting and flooring as a separate line item in the construction cost. Of course, discuss these plans with the banks beforehand to ensure they accept your proposed level of self-contributed work. Some banks may ask for experience in that field of work. They just want to ensure that whoever is doing the work actually knows what he's doing. So if you're intending to do this, please don't overestimate your knowledge and skills. YouTube videos may not teach you what you actually need. If in doubt, get it done by a professional. Don't rely solely on your house bank. Even if you've been a loyal customer for decades, shop around. Get quotes from a different bank or consider using a specialized home loan consultant like us. It can help you find the best deal tailored to your needs. It's worth the effort, and in most cases, these services are free of charge as advisors are compensated by the banks. They'll be connected to hundreds of banks and have an overview whether the bank will finance you or not. Good home loan consultants will guide you through the process from A to Z anyways. I hope these tips help you save on your real estate financing. If you're looking for personalized advice on your financing, feel free to reach out to us. Until next time, and take care.